You start strong. Day 1 feels electric. New plan, new notebook, new energy. You tell yourself, this time I'm different. And for a moment, you are. Then day 2 hits. The excitement is gone. The work feels heavier. And you think, what happened to my motivation? Here's the truth. Motivation didn't disappear. It dropped. Like a roller coaster after the first climb. Because your brain runs on chemicals. And starting gives you a spike, not because you're disciplined, but because your brain loves newness. That's the trap. You mistake the dopamine spike for real change. Then the spike fades, and you call it failure. But the crash isn't failure, it's chemistry. And here's the warning. If you miss this message, you'll keep restarting your life over and over, addicted to day 1, until you wake up years later with nothing finished. This might be the final signal before your brain locks you into the cycle forever. Your brain is a reward machine. It doesn't pay you for future success. It pays you for progress you can feel. So when progress is invisible, your brain stops paying. That's why you lose motivation after starting. Not because you're weak, because you stopped getting paid. So we're going to fix that with 3 habits. Small, visual, instant. Habit 1. The micro-win ladder. Most people build one huge goal, a mountain. But your brain doesn't climb mountains. It climbs ladders, one rung at a time. So stop asking, how do I finish? Ask, what's the next rung? Make it tiny. So tiny, it feels almost silly. Not write the book, but write 1 sentence. Not get in shape, but do 1 push-up. Not study for 3 hours, but open the page. Because each tiny rung creates a win, and wins create payment. Your brain sees the rung. Your brain gets reward. You climb again. Motivation returns, not as a feeling, but as momentum. Habit 2. The 60-second finish. Starting is easy. Finishing is identity. So you need a habit that proves we finish. Not big finishes, micro finishes. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Pick 1 micro task. Finish it. Examples: rename the file. Write the title. Complete 1 bullet point. Clean 1 corner of your desk. Do the last rep. Then stop. Yes, stop. Because you're not training effort, you're training the brain's reward system. You're teaching it. When we start, we end something. That creates trust. And a brain that trusts you gives you energy again. Habit 3. Reward after work. Most people reward themselves before work. They scroll first. They snack first. They get ready first. That's like paying yourself before you show up. So the brain learns we get comfort without progress. And motivation collapses. Flip the order. Make reward a door that only opens after action. Action first, then reward. Small action, small reward. 1 rung, then 1 treat. 1 micro finish, then a break. This is not punishment. This is conditioning. You are teaching your brain effort leads to pleasure. And when your brain believes that, starting becomes easier. Because the brain expects payment. Here's what changes everything. Motivation is not something you have. It's something you earn with visible progress, with completed loops, with rewards placed in the right order. So when the dopamine drop hits, you don't panic. You don't quit. You don't restart. You climb the ladder anyway. Because you're not chasing excitement, you're building a machine that runs on tiny wins. Right now, don't save this. Don't plan a new beginning. Create 1 win, 1 rung, 1 60-second finish, and then earn your reward. Comment win if you're doing it today. Subscribe for more stick-figure psychology that turns habits into identity.